want to start with a little story. What's that? You can stop after one. Hello, everyone. I'm the Document Dude, and I'm here to help you take action today so you can have peace of mind tomorrow. I have to chuckle at this. This is when I worked at McDonald's a long time ago. And at that particular time, I had a task that I needed to complete, and that was to go mop the floors out in the lobby. Not a big deal. So I went out there with the mop and the bucket and the wringer and went outside and, kind of squeegeeing it out and doing the mopping, back in the bucket, squeegee it out, keep going. At one point, I pulled the mop out of the bucket and it vibrated, went doom doom. I thought, what in the world is that? Lifted it again, doom doom. Kind of looking around, it was basically empty in the lobby. I'm like, this makes no sense. And I lifted it up again, doom, 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 doom. And then I looked up and it was the ceiling fan that I was taking the fan up into, and it was just hitting the blade. I'm like, oh my gosh, okay, moved away and squeegeeing and keep mopping. I'm just kind of laughing to myself like, oh my gosh, that is absolutely ridiculous. What's that? Oh, look up. I moved down to the second blade or the second fan, and the blade was hitting that. So sometimes we may be doing something that just doesn't seem to make sense. And we need to gather our wits and look around us and see what's going on and say, okay, what's working and what's not working. And if your paperwork, your most important documents, whatever system you have is not working, then I'm just inviting you to try this one out. And this today is going to be the third simple step in that process. So if you've already done the first two steps, that's great. If not, I really would encourage you to go back and just do those simple steps one at a time. The first step was simply to gather all your papers in the house into one spot. And by the way, I'm not asking you even right now to say, all right, do one, then come back and do two, and then come back and do three. Do one and wait until you're ready to then do the next step. Have a little time in between. Celebrate that little victory, even though it's a baby step. We celebrate baby steps all the time. First steps and the first time they're kind of walking, we celebrate that. So the first step, gather all the papers into one spot, a bin, box, basket. That's totally fine. Second step was to go through each one of those papers and put them into piles. And that would be to put it into a pile that says, hey, this is something I need to keep or file. This one, I know I need to take some action on at some point. And this pile, I'm not sure. That's all right. I'm not spending much time on it. I'll figure that part out later. And then take those three, put them in folders or separate them with something in between, put them back in the box. That can take a little bit more time to go through those papers. And if you don't do it in one sitting, that's totally fine. But once you're done with that and it's off to the side, you've got some energy, you're in a good state, you're ready to go, you know that you're doing this because this is going to give you peace of mind in the future. Now you're ready for step 3. And here's step 3. You ready for this one? Take out the undecided or I'm not sure what to do pile. Look at one paper and figure out, what do I need to do with this? Should I move this to the file? Like, I need to keep this. Let me put it over there. Is this something that I need to take action on? Let me put it over there. Or is this something I don't really need? I can throw this away. That's generally what everything's going to fall into. Then grab the next paper. Actually, don't. You can stop after one. You can stop after one piece of paper and put it all back and say, okay, I'm done. It's very likely, though, that since you've got it out, you're like, well, I can do one more. And you'll take a look at it and decide, oh, yeah, I need to file this one. Okay, well, I could probably do one more piece of paper. This one, oh, that's an action. Let me put that in the action. And I probably could do one more, but I'm just not feeling it. Totally fine. Or you may say, I can keep, you know what? I'll do it for 10 minutes. For 10 minutes, how many can I get through? You decide what you want to do on either the number of them or if you want to set a time. But just stop before you get frustrated with the process. And just know that you've made progress and you'll come back to this. And you'll come back and you'll just do a little bit more and a little bit more. And before you realize it, you're going to get all the way through that stack of the undecided, I'm not sure what to do with this, papers to do. I would suspect that a lot of those are just going to wind up being trash. Some of those obviously are going to go into, hey, I need to file and keep this, and some of them into the action pile. And we'll get to those later. But right now, the only thing I want you to do is incrementally go through that undecided pile until you've got that thing emptied out. And by the way, as mail comes in or another paper shows up, you find something behind the couch or whatever, just shove it into that undecided one, because as you're going through, you're eventually going to get to it and you'll decide what needs to be done with that one. So that's it. That's all I want you to do for this step number 3, that we'll call it. And that is to go through that pile one by one. And you'll find that it's not that difficult. In fact, you may get a little addicted and just get into a flow and just kind of get through the whole pile. Totally fine. But if you don't, I wanted you to understand that that's totally fine too. You do not have to get through this entire pile. It's a process, it's a step, but it is an action towards peace of mind tomorrow. I'll talk to you later.